Hi, it's Dr. Laura Jaggett, and in this Mominar, I'm going to go over the anatomy of the iron. So you want to iron your clothes, but you have no idea what these knobs and dials mean or how they work. Right now, I'm going to show you how to do that. This is called the sole plate, and it's the part that's going to heat up. It's what you're going to place on your clothing in order to iron out the wrinkles. The temperature guide has an off switch as well as different heat settings. Low heat is for synthetic materials, medium heat for silk and wool, and high heat for cotton and linen. By turning this knob clockwise, you can select the temperature that's best for your material. And I'm going to talk more about that in another Mominar. Most irons have a steam function. This one has a lid covering the opening of the reservoir, a max fill line indicator, and buttons which allow you to release water as steam or in spray form. To use the steam function, lift the lid and slowly pour water into the reservoir, making sure you don't fill it beyond the max fill line. This ensures that water won't spill out onto the clothing, making them too wet and making a huge mess. On this machine, there's also a slider that allows you to control the amount of steam released when you are ironing. Personally, I like full steam, so don't be afraid to turn it up. Now you're ready to plug in your iron. After plugging it in, you'll see a light indicator which will tell you that the iron is on. Select your temperature setting. I'm going to set it to high heat for this demonstration. These irons heat up pretty quickly, usually less than a minute. So when you're ready, place the sole plate down on your material. As you iron, you'll see the steam being released, and steam is what's going to give you crisp pressed clothing. You might also see a spray button. On the front of this iron, there's an opening that will spray water onto the material you're ironing in order to make it wet. Damp clothing is much easier to iron than dry clothing, so this is actually a really useful feature. And that's it. One more How to Life mystery solved. Leave a positive comment if this video was helpful to you and let me know what else you want to know, and I'll see you in the next Mominar.